Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the pixel state. Stuck shows one color, dead is black because the method differs. Once identified, power off and gently clean the area. Make sure to remove oils that hide progress. Start with the least invasive options, a short software cycling routine or gentle pressure. Use a soft blunt tool through a microfiber to avoid scratches. You'll apply brief, controlled taps. This early choice saves time and prevents damage, so don't rush. Work deliberately and observe the pixel response. Now you combine motion and pressure to coax the pixel back. Start a 5 to 30 minute color cycle, red, green, blue, so the liquid crystals move. This often frees stuck subpixels. Once a cycle runs, apply gentle, steady circular pressure for about 10 to 20 seconds directly over the pixel. Use a cloth to protect the glass. After pressure, let the screen rest 1 to 2 minutes, then run another cycle. If there's no change, repeat the alternation. Persistence often restores alignment without harm. To finish, verify the pixel under varied images and run a longer 30 to 60 minute color cycle to stabilize any recovered cells. If the pixel remains unchanged, escalate carefully. Try a few longer, gentle pressure sessions or specialized software that runs extended patterns. Make sure to document the pixel location and time. This helps warranty or service claims. If you see no improvement after safe attempts, seek professional repair. Don't apply excessive force, because that causes permanent screen damage and voids many warranties.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.